Hello, this is Simon welcoming you to level 31 of Q Sentral. There are 7 passenger lifts serving this half of the floor and another 7 units serving the other half further down this corridor. Looking towards Unit 19, passing the toilet and pantry. This is the main door of Unit 19. You can put a glass door in front of the wooden door. As soon as you enter, this is 300 square feet. There are 4 energy-saving T5 lights and 2 ducted aircon diffuser. There are 5 wall plugs and 4 underfloor junction boxes. At each of the junction box, there are 2 more power points, 1 phone point and 1 data point. To the right of the main door is the aircon control panel. This office runs on this chill water system, which is then billed to you at a very reasonable price. This office is suitable for a data center, storage, and co-working space for a small high-tech office. Just next to Unit 19 is the common toilet, handicapped toilet, the toilet for women, and the common pantry with sink and hot and cold water dispenser. If you like this office unit, please contact Simon at 012-481-9999.